My name's Jim Lee. I'm the Managing Director of the Fleet Office. We're a fleet technology partner. We're here on site today at Bocarina Beach Development with one of our customers, Hall Contracting. And we're actually here today to showcase our latest innovation, which is FleetAR, or Fleet Augmented Reality. It's a means of taking the data that our trackers are currently collating and broadcasting to our back-end system and putting it right in front of the user via augmented reality technology. Basically looking through the camera to see your assets. As you can see, your asset comes up there with the icon beneath it. You can personalise this for how you'd want to use it. You know, as managing director of the company, I'm sure you're not so much interested in when the next rego is due or when the next service is due, but you might want to see the cost and the revenue. Distance from you is always good to know, but the ones down here, the big ones, are your utilisation. Exactly right. The other one there, from a compliance point of view, the alerts. You want to know how well the driver or the operator is performing.
Once you've set up those filters, you then walk around and...
Correct, yeah. You just have a look around, so you can actually just go to mapped mode and you can see all of your assets around you. However, once you're in camera mode, it's point and shoot.
Fantastic.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Saves looking up the unit number and punching it into a tablet.
Exactly right, and no more stopping the operator unless, you know, you can do a sweep of the job site and know who to go and talk to. Exactly right, yeah.
What happens if I can't actually see the machine if it's out of sight?
Well, that's a very good question. If you go into the settings menu here, up the top you've got the distance from me. So you can set that range as far out as you want. Yeah, if I go to settings and I put it out to 25 kilometres and I press save and exit, if you've got assets working that way, so 1.4 kilometres that way, you've got excavator 1248, which I imagine by the looks of that is probably the other side of the hospital. Have you got a job over there?
That's right. Good for service people too, coming on site, right? Because they can come onto a site and find it.
Without hassling people, getting on the radio and hunting for equipment.
Can you show data from other systems that aren't necessarily just Fleet Office?
Yeah, we can. As you know, with your system Timberline, we import and export data from there for plant costings. We do that with Timberline, with SAP, with Viewpoint. We do that with a lot of systems. So if the data's held somewhere that we have access to, normally via an API, if we have access to that data, we can show it on here, just like the data that comes from the Fleet Office. Really pleased to show it off.
We've been very happy with the Fleet Office since we've had it. So to add extra features like this with it is only going to make it better and more usable.
The app has a whole number of potential uses. We're excited to see how our customers go on to benefit from and make use of this product. As a fleet management tool, we believe this is leading the way, putting an incredible amount of power into the user's hand.